How to contact Upwork Customer Support. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are using Upwork and need help with the app, your account, or another issue, you can go ahead and contact the support. First of all, open up the Upwork application and then go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the top left corner. Now from the expanded menu, click on Help and Support. On the next page, you'll see three different options such as App Support, Upwork General Support, and then the feedback. If you choose App Support, then it is for problems with the Upwork mobile app. If you want general help, then you can go ahead and choose the Upwork General Support. From there, you can go ahead and contact for general account, job, payments, or platform-related questions. If you choose the feedback option, then it is for sharing suggestions or feedback about Upwork. Choose the option that matches your issue. And once you do that, you'll be taken to a new tab or the website from where you can go ahead and further elaborate your issue. If you don't find your answer, you can also scroll all the way down and look for the Contact Us button. Then you can speak to the customer support team, contact them directly via email, and so on. Choose the option that you want to work with and then follow through the instructions. Provide the requested details if available. Search for articles to get help faster, check the FAQs for frequently asked questions, and so on. So from there, you will be able to contact Upwork's customer support whenever you need help with the platform. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.